Hello hair growers and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new and I make style and hair related videos every single week. First things first, I have a few updates for you in this video and I just wanted to mention first, you probably noticed my intro was a little bit different. I've just started a new website called Man Buns and Manes, which is catered towards this whole hair growth community that we've built so far. I will talk a little bit about it later. Let's cover the beard topic first, the elephant in the room. I am growing my beard out. Why am I doing this? Particularly because it just seems like the next natural step for what I'm doing here on this channel. I've made a lot of hair growth content thus far, and I thought, why not grow our beard out? I have had lots of mentions from, you guys and subscribers and people on Instagram saying, you should really grow your beard out, man. The reason I've always veered away from it is because I've never felt comfortable with having a lot of facial hair. And particularly, I think that comes from not feeling like it's full enough. Like when I look at a really nice beard, I'm kind of like, damn, I wish I had that. When I look at my own, I'm a little bit like, oh, I don't know if you could even grow a beard. But you know what? This is all about a challenge. So I am gonna be dedicating the next 3 months to growing my beard out. I do want to encourage any of you that have wanted to go on a beard growth journey before to join me, because I will be checking in once every month for the next 3 months. And yeah, so I just naturally thought it was the next best thing to do, and I thought, fuck it, what have I got to lose, Like, I don't have a corporate job that I go to where it's not allowed. I can do it in my own home. You guys will probably find it entertaining. I'll probably find it entertaining. So the next 3 months is all about this. Now, there is a few rules with this, okay? I've outlined a few rules, and I've made a deal with myself, and I'm making a deal with you right now. Let's shake on it. So the rules are, during this growth process, for the next 3 months, I am not allowed to shave from where I usually do my chin strap up, okay? So all of this area, all of this is gonna get as fuzzy as it can get. I don't even know how fuzzy that is because I've never let it grow that much. And the only place I'm allowed to groom is from, the chin strap down. And that's particularly because I feel like this hair below here, it looks really grubby. So I'm gonna give myself that much leeway, I guess. And I mean, you guys can go for whatever you want if you're gonna join me on this journey. I really hope you do join me on this journey. But yeah, that's rule number 1. The second rule is I need to take a picture every single day for the next 3 months of my beard growth to document the process properly. And then what I'm gonna be doing is giving you a time lapse at the end of the 3 months to show you the continuous growth over time. And I think that's gonna be a really cool video idea. So why would I not do it? You know what I mean? The other thing I thought I would be able to cover by doing this sort of series as well is trying out different hair growth products that I haven't tried before, particularly Minoxidil. So I have had a few questions from people asking me if I've ever used it before. I mean, I'd always heard of it, but I'd never thought, oh, I want to use that. I never went to that length. So what I've actually done is I've bought myself some Minoxidil. This is actually Regain. So that's the brand, and the actual product is Minoxidil. So Minoxidil, this is like a foam that you're meant to rub on the area that you want to promote hair growth in. I have no idea how well it's going to work. I've never really looked into beard oils or beard grooming or beard growth products. So this is going to be a whole new level playing field for me, but I just want to try it out. I just want to give it a go. So here we are. And the growing out process of my beard officially starts right now as this video goes live, okay? The one thing I did want to mention too is if you see me in the next couple of videos with the exact same facial hair, that's because I do my filming in batches. So I usually film a big bunch of videos for you guys, all in a row, and then I release them once a week. The reason I do that is because it's really efficient for me to work like that. I've got a full-time job on top of doing this. Like, I'm pretty fucking nuts. So once a month when I do my check-in, that will be the real-time growth of what my beard looks like right now. And then, every other couple of times, it'll look just like normal, okay? So we'll just see how we go. And yeah, I'm really nervous / excited to see how this turns out. Okay, so that's the situation and that's what's going to be happening over the next 3 months. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was my new website and why the hell I even built it and what's with the new intro and all of the new swipes and the Instagram. Look, it's called Man Buns and Manes by Thomas in Action. So what I've been thinking for a long time, I've been doing so much hair growth content. I've got a lot of you guys who have actually grown your hair out in the Facebook group. If you didn't already know, we have a Facebook group that's all about growing your hair out support, showing off your long locks, getting tips and tricks about hair, you name it, it's in there. It's free to join and it's open for everybody. However, I wanted to make something that was less about me and my name and more about us as a community. And I thought, how much longevity does the Thomas in Action name have for something like that? I mean, Thomas in Action is always going to work for me as a person, but what can I create that is separate from me but still intertwined with all of this? So it just made sense to come up with a name. I really love the name Man Buns and Manes. I love the logo that I've come up with as well. It's a lion with a man bun, and it just, the tagline and everything helps paint a picture of really what my personality is about. If you look at the tagline, it says, society might say long hair on guys isn't okay, but a lion doesn't concern himself with the opinions of sheep. I really resonate with that line, and if you guys feel the same way, I want you to come over and join the community. If you do want to join the group, head to the link in the description box. It'll say join the Facebook group here or something along those lines. It'll take you to the website where you can read a little bit more about the group, and then there's a gateway where you can actually enter. So if you're not part of the group yet, make sure you go in there. I'm hoping that all of this beard content will get uploaded in there as well. Perhaps we can start like a little beard growth section. I have no idea where I'm going with this. It's just going to be a 3-month stint, and we're going to see what I look like at the end and have a cool time lapse to watch, okay? So any of you that are coming in for the ride, join me. Let me know what you think of the whole Man Buns and Manes thing. And I also switched up the channel art, you probably noticed, in my display picture. We got a fresh new look in here, so that is what we're doing. I am gonna go shave my face now because I've been blabbering on for way too long. So I'm just gonna get rid of all of this 3-day growth bullshit and come back, show you what I look like with a bare face, and then we're gonna let the beard growth journey begin. Be right back. Okay, are you ready for this? This just does not feel right. Look at me, I look naked. All right, so here is my shaven face. I look about 10 years old again. Wow. I actually, when I looked at myself in the mirror, I was like, whoa, that's what you actually look like? Like, you can really see my face shape and stuff. It's weird. Just to help keep myself accountable, we're taking the first image right now, and I've got to keep this up for 3 months, okay? So here we go. Oh God, this light is terrible. I mean, it's good here, but like in an iPhone camera, it's shit. All right, here we go. I look dead. Photo number 1 done. We should probably put this on stories as well while we're here. Ready? Oh my God, look at that baby face. I look like I'm 10. No, this is just a little video to let you know that I've started a beard growth journey. We just started at 0, and I'm currently filming the video right now that is going to be going live on my channel. Actually, it's probably in my bio. If you want to learn about beard growth and what we're going to be doing over the next 3 months, go check it out. All right, bye. Okay, well that's that done. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video today. Beard growth check-in number 1, stage 1. Here we are, we're at 0. Join me for the journey. Make sure you join the Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. And I will see you next week for another video. Hopefully when I've got a bit more facial hair. Never doing this again. Bye.